Hey guys, so I thought I would do a deliver with me with Amazon Flex today. It's my first time working on a Sunday doing it. I already got my route and I have 6 packages and we're on the way to deliver the first one now. It seems like it's out in the country, most of the packages. So it looks like it's going to be like a country route, and my shift is 2:45 to 5:45. So depending on how far the distances are, it may take me the whole amount of time, but it just depends. So yeah, so we're off to the first one and I'll show you when I get there and deliver it. Okay. Hey guys, I got my first package. I'm delivering to this house right here, and I'm just gonna leave it on the porch and take a picture. So guys, I just delivered to that house right there. I think when I recorded, I just showed it like me putting it on the chair. But yeah, so now I'm off to my 3rd delivery. I only have 6 today. So after this, I'll have 3 left. And I'll show you when I get there. Okay guys, after this I have 3 packages left. I'm delivering this fan, and it says to leave the packages outside of the gate because it's like a locked place, so it says leave packages at the gate. I guess this is like a ranch or a farm or something, so I'm gonna just put this box over the yellow gate. Okay guys. So guys, I just wanted to show you kind of like the roads that I'm driving on. It's like country roads. I'm about 2 miles from the next place I have to drop off, but these roads are like really small. It's like one lane goes this way, the other lane goes the opposite way. So this is the kind of route that I had today. And whenever I have longer routes like this, like that are out in the country, like 15 miles apart for some places, I usually have, like only a few packages. So yeah, but I just wanted to show you guys like kind of like what the area looks like that I'm driving to. Nice day today though. I don't know if I'd like to drive out here if it's raining, but on a nice day, it's good. So. Okay guys, I'm delivering this package to this house right here, and I'm just gonna leave it by the door. Okay guys, I'm delivering this package, I believe, here. My navigator told me to stop, so, but I don't see the numbers, so hopefully this is the right one. It said I arrived, so hopefully that's it. Okay guys, I just dropped off my last package. I didn't film because there was like, it was a house or a mobile home, but they had a fence, and there was like 5 or 6 dogs in there, and they kept barking, and I tried to throw the package over the fence, but it didn't go over the fence. It landed like on the edge, so I just left it there, took a picture, and got out of there because the dogs kept barking. And even one of the little chihuahuas came out from under the fence because it's little, so it could go through the little hole. And yeah, but now I'm on my way home. Everything, I finished about 45 minutes before my shift ended at 5 o'clock. So yeah, so now I'm on my way home. Only had 6 packages today. So thanks for watching, and yeah, have a good Sunday. Bye.